Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ray, with Kickstands Up 909. I thought today we'd go for a little ride out to Lucerne Valley. There's a little cafe out there called 247 Cafe. Pretty cool. They got like a little bandstand that they have up there on the weekends, I think. It's really grown over the past few years. I haven't been out there since beginning of fall last year, so it's been a couple months. So just sitting around the house, let's get out of here and let's go for a nice ride. So, oh, and check it out. My birthday recently passed and I got hooked up with some new work boots. So let's go break those in too. All right guys, let's get after it. So another thing that I like to kind of do when I cruise out here to Lucerne Valley, there's these cool little rock formations all out here. You can climb up there. As you can see, a bunch of idiots tagged up on it, but yeah, back there's Hesperia, and somewhere over these rocks is Lucerne. But I gotta figure out how to get the bike out of here. I went up this dirt road and it got a little gnarly, but we'll figure that out in a minute. But check this out too. Look at all these beautiful rocks. All right, let's see if I can't get myself unstuck. You know, I think it might be time for that Pan America to start coming out here. So here's what happened. I thought I could be a smart guy and I could just, right down there is the road, it's not very far. I could take this little dirt road up here and then I could continue up this, but I didn't realize this was a rug and it took my front tire, as you can see, and it made me dig right there. Almost dropped the bike. So then I had to set it up back down to right about here-ish, and then I just went up this little piece and got out over here now. I need a Pan America. Anyway, I don't have money for that. Let's get out to Lucerne now that I'm not stuck anymore. $5, but it's for a great cause. It's going for these kids, give them an education. They want the greatest education. Music. All right, guys. Well, that was Cafe 24/7. A little adventure today. Cool spot. If you're ever out in the Lucerne Valley area, go check that out. A lot of bikes go there. They got a t-shirt that I bought from one of the little vendors out there. just a great day to be in the desert. I mean, check it out. Sleeves, vest, jeans, boots, perfect riding weather, nice and cool. I mean, the background is amazing. Just beautiful and open. And then way over there, I mean, it's hard to see here, but snow-capped mountains. I mean, just perfect. This is a beautiful, beautiful day. So with that, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Nothing long, but as always, stay dirty out there, my friends.